Moment of truth. Ah! You know, go. Let's start from the end. So I finally bought the brush of my dream. Okay, so not exactly the one I wanted to buy, but can you see how big it is? Junior, wait, one second. Like, I can't believe they put this brush inside this big. Okay, so this is it. I wanted to buy this exact one, but this was one I saw. So let's see. I'm excited to try it out. I am so excited. Dun, 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 dun. Apparently, this is supposed to be a natural hair girly friend. I'm going to try it. I'm so excited. Don't laugh at my hair. Oh, my hair is so overdue for washing. Guess what? I was actually waiting for this brush. Like, I prolonged my wash day because of this brush. Let me leave my front hair because my front hair is something. So let me try detangling this one. I should even carry. Yeah, let me use this one instead. I don't want anything in the front in case the brush not do what they say it could do. You understand? Okay, we are ready. So I'm going to. My hair needs trimming. Like, you can see these fairy knots all over. Worry. Trimming is coming very, very soon. Very, very soon. Like, see that balance. So I have finished taking out the hair. The first thing is water. Coconut water. No, but this is pure water. This is natural aquafina. This is natural aquafina. Yotago. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so water has gone. The next is leave-in conditioner. Last is butter. See? Okay. Moment of truth. Ah! You know, go. Let's start from the end. Anyway. What is this? Okay, maybe I should comb my hair first. But I thought this was supposed to go. Oh, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed, though. I'm disappointed. I'm getting a snag here. Okay. Oh. Wow. Okay. I beg, tell me it's okay. Oh. Before I go forget myself, oh, tell me it's okay. Oh. Well, there's some heads. Okay. And then we twist it back. I can tell you that my hair is well detangled at this point. So I think this is a great buy. You can safely buy your own. Anyway, I'm still going to try it on my wash day. So let's see how it's supposed to make brushing my hair after deep conditioning. Let's see.